All right, kind of, yeah. Will rock you.
Here we get about 328 and 328 and 328. Here we get about 328.
All right, I'm gonna start spraying. It's been a long day, but I want to get at least something sprayed using one of these DEFs. Google it if you want. It's 32%, if I remember right, pure nitrogen. I just sprung a leak. One of these plastic pieces cracked.
14, 15 and 314, 315 and 315 and sitting here to get about 315 to get about 315 15, 16 to get about 16, 17, 17 to get about 317.
All right, got 2 for 1 special here starting out. I got to get this tractor in. It's already quit on me once or twice, so all I got left is the auger and them red gates, which them I could probably just chuck off to the side if I had to, but I got to be able to drive the tractor up onto the trailer. All right, kind of, yeah, will rock you. Kind of a rough morning. Them implements did not play nice, but I finally got them offloaded. One last ramp drive for the tractor, and we're on our way. Oh yeah, that's what I need, a little morning juice right now. I got a hat here. There, let's fix that. All right, I got the tractor. I'm going to meet Felipe. I'm going to a tractor shop in Lynn, Missouri, but it's right past Phil's farm. So we're gonna go to the stockyard. It's like the cattle yard where they sell cattle and all that.
Price per head, $16.50.
So it should be interesting to see. They got a restaurant there. Cool stuff. So let's go check that out. I often wonder, you see a lot of these roads like up here, they cut them through this kind of mountaintop, and I'm like, why not just build it over the top of the existing, you know, I know you need to flatten it, but anyways, I find it interesting when I see these rock cuts right through a peak of a mountain. Check this out. Phil was telling me about the airport, how much hay there is here. That's insane. Look at that.
Was so catastrophic that Chino needs to go.
Whoa, look at all the cattle rigs. I'll be sticking out with my tractor. I think I could probably back it in right over here. Life is kind of good that way, ain't it?
Yes.
I love the flags. Oh, I hear some auction stuff going on in there.
Well, you can smell that sweet money in there too.
Oh boy, get me on some of that somehow.
290 straight. 314, 314, 15 and 314, 315 and 315 and sitting here to get about 315 to get about 315 15, 16 to get about 16, 17, 17 to get about 317, 18 and 318, 19 to get about 20 to get about 322 to get about 22, 3 to get about 24 to get about 324, 5 to get about 326, 2 to get about 26, 2 to get about 77 here to get about 328 and 328 and 328 and I start here to get about 328 to get about midday to get about 328 to get about 328. So 327 belong 294X, 294X.
Price per head, $16.50. $16.55.
That last one.
Yeah, price per head. Four times the money.
50X.
So that cow was $1,900, $1,800.
That cow was
$1,900. It looked like a young one.
Yeah, he's not full size.
Yeah, it didn't look.
It's probably a steer. They just wanted him out of the herd. These are weaned calves, I believe. Maybe a little bigger than me.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yeah, you look up at the blue screen. Head count 5, household. I don't know if W is weaned.
Oh, okay.
I don't know what the W means. 60 days weaned. 2 rounds of backs.
289, sold 288, put them on 50X.
And that one that had the white face was an Angus Charolais cross.
So, price per 1843 per. Of that last one, it was 5-0.
261, 2 and 261, 2, 3. We get it on 3, 64, 60, 6, 8, we get it on 7, 7, here we get it on 267, and 268, here we get it on 70, we get it on 271, 2, we get it on 73, we get it on 4, 74, 5, we get it on 76, here we get it on 277, 8, and 9, 79, 79, 79, here 279, and 78, here we get it on 8, we get it on 79, 80, we get it on 2, we get it on 80, we get it on 80, and 80, and 2, we get it on 79, 80, we get it on 80, we get it on 2, we get it on 280, sold 279.50 on 262X, 262X.
Okay, I want to see them change the screen. Oh, all right, they changed. All right, got the tractor dropped off at Rosebud Tractor in Lynn. All right, I'm at this store, Buckeye. Never been here. I'm getting nitrogen, kind of trying to backdoor the system. Went to a couple places and I can't get liquid fertilizer, but these muddy blinds here are on closeout. Let's see what they consider closeout pricing. I don't see 75% off. Still 2,800 bucks. And this big one's 3,500. Let's go in one of these small ones here quick. No, this one's a giant one. There's one open right over here. Let's check this out. The Striker. Oh, they got them locked. I like the red pin. There it is, right there. $7.49. 10 jugs of Redneck fertilizer and this pack of water. This was $2.89. 83 bucks for pure nitrogen. Now I do have fertilizer at home in Illinois. I got pH fixer and everything, but it does me no good. 5 hours away.
41,148.
It's nice to see the sun out. Man, it was rainy and gloomy for the last couple days. Beautiful scenery out here, especially when you can get a glimpse, you know, 5 or 10 miles off into the distance. Just beautiful. All right, I'm gonna start spraying. It's been a long day, but I want to get at least something sprayed. I'm using one of these DEFs. Google it if you want. It's 32%, if I remember right, pure nitrogen. I'm using one of these per 25 gallons, and of course my Gly concentrate. They seem mature enough. I'm gonna go check my test spray, but I think, you know, they're Roundup ready. I've called them several times, but good progress. This stuff supposedly works really good, super cheap. It's a quick nitrogen fix, so we'll see. Been 48 hours. It's hard. I'm not the best judge of coloring since I'm green and reds shade colorblind. I mean, the beans, looks like some of them might be a little lighter in color, but I did hit them hard. But I can see like that one, this one, that grass there is starting to change. I sprayed this also as a comparison, but either way, I'm spraying. I'm trusting that they know what they're doing. So let's get rolling. I just sprung a leak. One of these plastic pieces cracked in there, so I'm gonna hustle out and spray it, and then I'll be down again. Dang it. Sometimes if it ain't one thing, it's the next. Alright, so this thing broke on me, fully fledged, as soon as I pulled away, so I stuck my finger in there to close it, and I had to call Sharon to come and help. So we got, of course, full drained into that one, and so I'll see if I got spare parts or to get this one back up running. Okay, I got a temporary solution, again, from the gentleman's save bin in the garage. He's got extra parts in there. So this is just a little jumper hose for a garden hose, but it's got rubber washers in it, and this was the original hose, so there's a little bit of a kink in it, but I think this will work. That works, but it doesn't work good because that weight just bounces that thing around, and the booms, you know, are gonna break. I don't like that one, so I'd rather use this one. We'll see what happens. I'll probably go back at it tomorrow though. Field I want to hit this evening. You can see I planted way down here into the area that hadn't been sprayed originally, but boy, this one's looking really nice. Fingers crossed. It's going to look even better. This was the field I wasn't sure if Phil hit with Gly last time. I talked to him today and he confirmed that he did, and I could see now it's browning a little. The problem is it was probably too long. It was I just drilled through the standing hay, so this should really help knock it back. You can see it's a little brown mixed in with the green, so this should really do the trick. Oh, Sharon is such a saint. So we're both back and forth right now. Like every day something different. The Illinois house is empty at the moment. You'll see the updates, but she sent me out one of our fridges from the basement with ice, mind you. So you gotta have ice. So anyways, I'm on one of my trips back, putting together today's update video. So thankful to have such a great partner with Sharon, thinking of me on the road. So I got 7-Up, I got ice, I got cranberry juice. What more could a guy ask for? So thanks for joining me for today's update. Stay tuned. Lots of stuff happening, like literally daily. Things are changing. We love having you guys along for the ride. We'll catch you on the next episode. Thanks a lot. Wow, look at this. What an echo in here, but beautiful. Looks really nice now that it's empty.